How to turn on noise suppression on discard using desktop. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply turn on noise suppression on discard. So it is very easy. You just have to follow these simple steps. And without further ado, let's dive into this. So to turn on noise suppression on desktop, you just have to simply open up the application on your mobile phone devices. I'm doing this on a mobile device and I have further made a video on how you can do it through desktop. It is very easy and both of the methods or procedures are same, 100% legitimately same. So there's no difference. So first of all, what you're going to do is go into the settings or the user settings that is at the right bottom corner of the screen. Once you go over there, you just have to find the app settings, and in that heading just below you're going to look for the voice and video. In that, once you go over there, you just have to scroll down till the very last in the advanced settings. Here you're going to find the voice processing, and under that you just have that noise suppression that says suppress background noise from your mic. So once you check up on it or you turn it on, so your noise suppression has been turned on. It means that now there would be no background noise. So this is how you do it. This is how you turn on the noise suppression on Discord using desktop or your mobile phone devices. So I'm sure you guys like the video. If you guys have any queries, just comment down below. I would love to answer them. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Till next time, peace.